Welcome to our quick comparison of two leading countertop ice makers, the Igloo self-cleaning model and the Antarctic Star. Both machines promise to deliver 26 pounds of ice per day, but they differ in features and price. Let's dive into their specifications and see which one stands out. When it comes to price, the Igloo model is priced at $87, while the Antarctic Star offers a more budget-friendly option at $69. This makes the Antarctic Star a more attractive choice for those looking to save money without sacrificing performance. In terms of ice production speed, the Igloo takes about 7 to 8 minutes to produce a batch of 8 ice cubes, whereas the Antarctic Star is quicker, producing ice in just 6 minutes. This faster production rate makes the Antarctic Star a better choice for those who need ice on demand. Another important factor is the variety of ice sizes. The Igloo model produces only one size of ice cube, while the Antarctic Star offers 2 different sizes. This versatility can be beneficial for different types of beverages and occasions. In conclusion, both the Igloo and Antarctic Star ice makers have their strengths. The Antarctic Star stands out with its lower price, faster ice production, and variety of ice sizes. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient ice maker, the Antarctic Star is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.